Hikes! Oh my god, you look so invalid when you do that with your hands. How are you doing?
I'm not very good, man.
Bro, you look like you're straight out of Naruto.
Hello, yay.
Never do that again! That was the most cringe thing I've ever seen! You went... Wait, look into the camera? Wait, no. So what we're doing today is a 200 case versus case battle. So 400 cases. Everything's on the line, quite literally. Because Hikes, if he doesn't win this, he's on the street. But before the case opening starts, I want to thank today's sponsor, which is Skin Baron. Now, Skin Baron is a marketplace for CSGO skins, meaning that you can buy and sell your skins for real money. And if you're buying skins, for example, this buying a tiger tooth, it's a lot cheaper on Skin Baron. If you're buying from Steam, you'd be paying over 500 euros for this one. Meanwhile, on Skin Baron, it's listed for 325 right now. And they've got many different payment methods, which is very nice. And if you're from the EU, you have a Skin Baron wallet, meaning that if you sell something on the site, you don't need to cash out the money before you can use it. You can buy something again instantly with your funds. Also, a huge new feature, right now only available in Germany, but they're selling gaming gear as well, which you can buy with either your wallet balance or just buy it normally. And you can see you can buy mouse pads, gaming mouse, headset, which is very nice. If you want to buy or sell skins, then please try them out from the link in the description. And now let's get on with the case battle.
Listen, man.
Oh, Skin Freak was right! The Tomahawk in CSGO!
For the thumbnail, for the thumbnail.
Yeah. So we are opening the Fracture case, yes?
If I don't win, I die.
It's a very nice case, because you can get Deagle Print Stream, Aqua Legion of Anubis, or the knife. And since we're opening 400, chances are we're gonna get the knife.
I will fuck you. I will fuck your father.
How many knives do you have? So, the knives you can get from this case, if you don't know, the best one would be Skeleton Blue Gem. Very expensive. $100,000 or more.
Is it enough to buy bread?
$100,000? Maybe not with the inflation now, actually, I don't know. One loaf of bread is $700,000. Plus tax.
Plus
First case, are you ready, baby? 3,
I'm ready.
2, 1, yeet! Okay, well, look into the camera and do a smile. No, how many? What the fuck?
I'm real life anime character. Hello. Let's go.
Oh, that was painful. 3, 2, 1, yeet!
I started.
Yes, me too. That's why we had the countdown.
Okay,
Russian IQ. Okay. Star Trek. This is good. I've taken the quick lead.
Go next.
Yeah, go next. 3,
I don't
2,
want to have
1.
awkward conversation with you anymore.
Yeah, you got brother. Look at the back of it.
Oh my god.
400 cases in total. What do you think, man? This ought to lead to something nice. Oh yeah! What? Literally child having a tantrum in the Walmart. You know, that red would have been yours if...
Shut the fuck up, I don't care.
This is nice, Alex.
No.
You haven't opened cases for quite a while, right? Because they were very expensive for you?
$6 per case or something like that.
They were $6 per case?
Yeah.
Do you know what he says?
What?
Ja chlenodevka. Ike's Google history. Chlenodevka. Extra chuj.
Maybe
You look so sad.
Please, I wasted my last money on this.
We need to open something good. Have we ever opened a knife in our versus?
I
we
opened
have
2.
Yeah,
I
I haven't. Fuck, that's why I don't remember it. Why did we choose this case, by the way? Just because it was cheap, right?
It was the cheapest, yeah, because I couldn't, unfortunately, I couldn't afford. You already know what to do.
You're like a homeless person. Bro, rip off that kill your family part. That's not friendly for ads. CSGO already struggling.
Please.
Subscribe or I kill. Okay.
Go. Öppna fast.
Öppna Gangnam Style. I'm so good at opening cases, so good at wasting money.
Such a pure talent, such an inspiration.
So, Hikes, you asked me what item should I sell on the market to get as many literal cents on the Steam wallet as possible, because we are all struggling. Subscribe to Hikes, man, he needs it.
Oi.
Oh!
I feel like you're gonna get a knife, man.
Praying to Satan, POV. What's your favorite anime?
My favorite...
Don't care. No, actually.
Actually...
Don't
Tokyo...
care?
You know,
keep
cases are
opening them.
shit, man.
Shit man. Shit man. The worst superhero in the Marvel universe.
Dog shit trash cases. Shit video idea for Twitch channel.
This is literally, you're starving in Russia and feeding fat Gabe Newell millions in fucking burgers.
I haven't eaten today.
It looks like he has bigger beard now because he's fucking so broken.
Mongoloid bitch. If I get a knife, I will eat this.
Bro.
What the fuck? Igor, 80 years old voice.
Gabe, жирное ебало, блять, пожалуйста. Пожалуйста. I think I'm actually in a lead right now.
Yeah, probably. But it's gonna change now that I open a knife, so it's fine. What?
Like
10 euro! Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
10 euro, yeah. Fuck me, you are very in the lead. What's your favorite fast food chain? Now that Russia shut down fast food, what's your favorite?
Okay, we have McDonald's recently. Well, it's actually not called McDonald's anymore.
Yeah.
It's just like the same.
Yeah.
But it's all the same, by the way.
Yeah. Oh yes! Yes! Holy shit, this looks so good! Oh my god! Hikes! Hikes! Eat it! Eat paper, blood! Grown man eating paper! Yes! Hikes! My first fucking case opening versus knife, I think. Oh my god. Meanwhile, you're chewing on paper. Literally retarded. Oi! This minimal wear, probably. Yes! Minimal wear! Oh, hikes! Hikes! Yes, bro! I did it!
It's not over yet, you fucking
How much is the knife? 160 euro! 160 euro is 193,000 rubles. Hikes, you have fucking shit on me so many times when we do 1v1. Finally, I am in the lead.
I was not starving back then. Let's go, Agnes.
Your demeanor has changed significantly now.
I know. Yeah.
Oh yeah, fuck me! Okay, I'm not gonna be greedy. I'm not gonna be greedy. Breathe, breathe.
Greedy gambling YouTuber complaining about $1 skin.
Imagine I get another knife. What would you say? Okay, no, that's greedy. That's greedy. Unless... Wait, you never answered. What's your favorite fast food chain?
I don't like McDonald's. Donald is idiot.
Do you like Wendy's?
We don't have.
Wendy's nuts are in your mouth.
Thanks for this recording session. Don't have that.
I'm still gonna get my skins, right? Wow, look who it is! Your camera's so blurry. Your camera was just sanctioned, bro. Oi! Oh my god! We both opened so good items! How? Wait, I'm gonna get that, right? You just aimed that at yourself before you open next one. Without saying anything. That's how we know you're depressed. I'm gonna add some anime music to you headbanging. Oh no.
Oh.
Oh my god! Hikes! Hikes!
That's very nice.
That inside! Is it field tested?
Okay, Donald Duck, shut the fuck up!
So that one is only 10.8 euro? And you're still opening?
Oh yeah, I'm still one case ahead.
Really? You, how much are you tilt opening? Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh what? 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 It's the same one! It's the same one! Boyan Forrest and Forrest Diddypat! Hello! Matrix! I broke it! Hikes, I broke it! What the fuck? Look! Forrest Diddypat and Boyan Forrest! Dude! Matrix! Matrix! What the fuck? Hikes! Oh! Oh my god! Oh my god! I broke it! Holy shit! The Truman Show! Hikes! It's all a fucking lie! It's all a lie! Oh my god! This is like when me and Victor opened 2 classic fade! What the fuck? Oh my god! What? I said maybe I get another one. No, that's too greedy. Maybe not. Maybe not. You look so sad. sad. 140 euro. So 140 euro, 160 euro, 2 knives, both Boreal. What? Subscribe or I kill.
Subscribe or I don't have it anymore. I ate it.
Ouch. And the last case, one left, just like with Hike's eyes. We open it, and now we are ready. Oh, yeah. Victory Royale. Damn, Hikes, you should get that mole checked out, bro, in your neck. That shit look cancerous as. Nice hair, Hikes. It looks like a middle-aged white woman. Guys, subscribe to Hikes. He needs it after losing all of this money.
Stop, man. That's illegal in my country. Stop. I'm gonna say the N-word right now.
No!